Welcome to Vitality Health Works, your trusted source for simple, science-backed health and wellness tips. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy, improve your sleep, or stay active after 40, 50, and beyond, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started.
Thousands of people are eating these tiny homemade gelatin cubes before every meal, claiming they've finally found the secret to feeling full. But is this viral gelatin trick actually a weight loss miracle, or just another internet fad? Today, I'm digging into the science and showing you exactly what happened when I tried it myself. The gelatin. If you've seen the gelatin trick for appetite control blowing up on social media, you're probably curious. People say it helps with cravings, digestion, and even belly fat. I'm in this video, we're cutting through the hype. I'll show you the exact recipe, the best time to eat them, and the common mistakes that can actually ruin your progress. If you're looking for a simple low-calorie snack or a natural appetite suppressant, stick around, the science might surprise you. What is the gelatin trick? The concept is simple. You make a batch of cubes using unflavored gelatin, refrigerate them, and eat a few before your main meals. But here's why it's trending. Unlike collagen peptides, which dissolve completely, beef gelatin or unflavored gelatin powder absorbs water and gels in your stomach. This creates a physical feeling of fullness for just a few cents a day. But notice I said health. This isn't a magic fat burner. It's a behavioral tool. It's about replacing that late-night cookie or ice cream with something that has zero added sugar and a high protein profile. The Vitality recipe. Let's make a batch. It takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Heat 1/2 cup of water until steaming, but not boiling. Step 2. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin over the top. Let it bloom for a minute, then stir until it's crystal clear. Step 3. The flavor. Add a squeeze of lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Pro tip. Avoid raw pineapple or kiwi. They contain enzymes that prevent the gelatin from setting. Step 4. Add another 1/2 cup of cold water, pour into a mold, and chill for 2 hours. Once firm, cut them into small cubes. These are your gelatin cubes for weight loss, ready to go. The science and honest truth. Let's separate fact from hype. Gelatin is 98% protein and rich in amino acids like glycine and proline. Research suggests that gelatin-based snacks can slow down gastric emptying, meaning the food stays in your stomach a bit longer, signaling to your brain that you're satisfied. However, the World Health Organization and the NI are clear. No single food causes weight loss. When I tried this for 2 weeks, I didn't wake up 10 pounds lighter. But I did notice I stopped boredom snacking at 9 p.m. That's where the real power is. It builds mindfulness. The vegan alternative. I often get asked, what if I don't eat animal products? Traditional gelatin comes from beef or pork collagen. If you're vegan, you can use agar-agar, which is derived from seaweed. It creates a very similar jelly texture. However, keep in mind that agar is mostly fiber, not protein. You'll still get the fullness benefit from the bulk, but you won't get the specific amino acids like glycine found in animal gelatin. Variations for cravings. For sweet cravings, use a base of hibiscus or berry tea. For digestive support, add a splash of ginger juice and lime. For anti-inflammation, use a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. By changing the flavor, you turn a supplement into a treat that satisfies your palate without the calories. Timing and common mistakes. Timing is everything. Eat 2 to 4 cubes about 20 minutes before your meal. This gives the gel time to settle. Common mistake number 1: using sugary boxed jello. That defeats the purpose. Common mistake number 2: expecting it to work while you're stressed or sleep deprived. Common mistake number 3: thinking it doesn't break a fast. If you're doing strict intermittent fasting, yes, gelatin has calories and protein, so it will break your fast. WHO should be careful. While generally safe, if you have kidney disease or severe digestive issues, check with your doctor first. And remember, traditional gelatin is animal derived. If you're vegan, you can use agar-agar, though it won't have the same amino acid profile. Conclusion. So, does the gelatin trick work? As a tool for appetite suppression and gut health, it's a great, inexpensive habit to try. But the most powerful weight loss strategy isn't a viral trend. It's the healthy behaviors you can keep up for life. I want to know, what flavor are you going to make? Ginger lime? Strawberry? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button for more science-backed health hacks here at Vitality Health Works. Thanks for watching.